Welcome or welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz, and today I just want to give you a quick review over Simplicity pattern 1064. Simplicity 1064 is a Mrs. Tunics with length variations and tie belt. The pattern envelope that I have runs from sizes 6 to 14. In this pattern, I chose to sew a size 10, and I'll talk more about that later. It is classified as an easy to sew pattern, and I would definitely agree. This pattern is easy to sew, and I would also recommend this pattern for a beginner. According to the pattern finished garment measurements, I made a size 10, and this was because the amount of ease that is implied by the finished garment measurements. But back to the view that I sewed view C, which is the shorter version here with the long sleeves. I chose to sew that view because on me, I know it would still be the perfect length, the length that I wanted it. So that's why I chose view C. Plus it has the long sleeves and the V-neck, and I love both of those things. I did try it on and it wasn't too small, but the way that this fits in the bust area, it doesn't close or come together the way that it should. And that really reminded me of why I do not wear wrap tops and why I don't care for wrap tops. I have too much bust up here and they just never lay right to me. I don't like the way they look. I don't like the way that they fit. One thing that I am disappointed about is that I used this fabric that I was gifted by Kiki Textiles, and I chose this fabric because I am trying to implement more print into my wardrobe, and this also gave me the perfect pop of color without a monochromatic look. So I was kind of disappointed when I realized I probably will not be wearing this top. I will not make this pattern again because of the fit issues that I have. I don't think it's anything with the pattern. And maybe if I'd went on and made the size 12, it probably would have fit and laid a little better, but I don't know. This pattern also calls for elastic in the waist, which I put that in and I thought it would cinch a little bit more and probably help the bust area, this closure area, but it really didn't do it any justice for me. I probably should have tried it on for you guys, but I didn't because of how much is showing, and I could probably put something on under it and show it to you, but I'd rather not. I also tried to see if my daughter could fit into the dress. She fits into it, but it's really too big for her. And again, it's kind of the same with the fit issue. She doesn't like the way it feels or fits. So that's that. This pattern does call for a facing, which was not hard at all. Very easy. This pattern is only 7 pieces. You have your front and back bodice. You have your front and back skirt. You have your tie belt. You have your sleeves, and you have your front and your back facing. So 7 pattern pieces, easy to come together. It does have a curved hem, and I'll show you that. On this side, there's a curved hem. You can tell. The curved hem did not give me any issues at all either. Very easy, very simple. I would recommend this pattern for a beginner. I will not make it again. I did not make any adjustments, but once again, I probably should have adjusted the waist, and maybe that would have helped also, but I'm just not sure. I was gonna say I would try this again with adjusting the waist for the length, but no, I'm not, because for the simple fact, I don't like how this fits in the front, how it fits and closes in the front. I don't like it. But I really love this fabric, and I picked it out specifically for this pattern. And again, I'm disappointed that I used it on this and I will not get to wear it. But all in all, it just really, I mean, I guess it wasn't a bust because I did learn that I just still do not like wrap tops, and I probably won't anytime soon. But if you know of any great wrap top patterns that you think I might like, let me know down in the comments. I'm willing to try them. But this pattern, I will not be making again. Definitely not. I did not learn any new techniques in this pattern. I already know how to do elastic casings and all of that. If you are someone who like wrap tops and wrap dresses, I feel like this would be a great pattern for you. I do think maybe I should have sewn the size 12. I might have liked it a little bit more, and I should probably just stick with the size 12 regardless of the finished garment measurements, because even though they seem like they should fit me if I go down or up a size, I'm usually either a little too big or a little too small, or the fit is a little off if I go smaller. So I think the size 12 is going to be my sweet spot. I don't know. I really don't want to make this pattern again, and I don't think I will. But if you think I should, let me know. If you've made this pattern before, let me know if you had any of the same issues or what you think about the pattern. That's all for me today. It is Christmas Day, 8:12 p.m. I've been wanting to do this review for so long, so I decided to just go ahead and do it. I had a little free time, so went ahead and did it. I hope you had a very Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, see it, make it, slay it.